Everyone, or good morning wherever you are. Welcome to my channel. This is Guinea Aneja and I'm here with your reading in Tarot and Oracle for the month of October for the sign of Aries. Now, it is not just the sun sign I had done last month. This is going to be for the moon and the ascendant. Ascendant is also called Lagna in Hindi. So, the Lagna Kundali, if it is Aries, the moon sign, that is Chandra Kundali, if it is Aries, and the sun sign, which is the Surya Kundali. They could be three different ones or they could be the same. So you could look up the different signs if the three are different. How do you find out? A lot of people have asked me this question. How do we find out what is our sign? Well, you either take out your horoscope charts if you have it at home. If you do not have it at home, then what you do is you go to any of the web portals that give you free chart analysis. They help you to make a chart for yourself for free. You could make a chart for yourself. It could be astrosage.com. Astrodentist.com is actually Western astrology, so I would not say that it is. You could use that, but it is different from. It could be different from the Vedic astrology also. Okay, so this is health, relationships, and finance. Let's see what the health has to say. The health says that you're keeping your eyes close to your health problems. You need to focus on your health. You need to open your eyes and look at the possibilities of what is going wrong with your health. If there are any health issues which could be psychosomatic, which could be stress related, which could be something deeper which is not showing up on the top, which are not really symptomatic maybe as of now, but you may need to delve into them. You may need to do certain tests to find out what is the problem. And if you already know but you're ignoring it, the oracle card says, admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. This clearly says that you are closing your eyes, like here, to your health issues and you need to act upon them. Now, the reason I have chosen Archangel Michael cards specifically for this month is because the month of October, I feel, is going to be very disruptive. There's going to be probably a lot of issues that people are going to face, not only in the manner of world or natural calamities, but it could also be due to a lot of clashes, lot of problems, and lots of major steep ups and downs in every manner. So these cards have a prayer below which you can speak out to Archangel Michael, which will help you to protect you and help you towards whatever issue you're facing. So the prayer here for your health is, Archangel Michael, I appreciate your support in helping me face my feelings with grace and acceptance so that I can be lovingly honest with myself and others. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for giving me courage and strength. This was for health. Now coming to relationships, I feel there may be a lot of people who may go through either marriage or a divorce. They may decide that they want to do it, and because you may be going through certain major strife and struggle dealing with your relationships, you may need the support of Archangel Michael, because this says lean on God and the angels for support. Some people get last minute doubts and they become jittery with the idea of a commitment and marriage. So this could also be for you. The prayer below, which you could say, is, dear God and angels, I gave you this, whatever the situation it is, you can describe that in short. Now and completely, I give you this so and so situation now and completely. I step out of the way and allow divine miracles to shine through everyone and everything involved. That is the prayer that you need to say if you're facing any kind of relationship issues. Coming to finance, career, and job. Now, This is the Four of Pentacles, which basically says that you need to hold your hand tight on your purse string. You need to be careful about your finances. Do not go overspending. There may be a tendency to do that. Also, I feel this says that bankers and financial consultants and people like that may so it'll be either ways for a lot of people. It would be either you get good work, or it could be that you get very limited work in spite of your expectations of a lot. So the angel card here says that believe and trust. It basically says the prayer is before going to sleep tonight. I say, Archangel Michael, please enter my dreams and replace fear with faith and trust. Let me be filled with strength, courage, and confidence. The other thing that it points out to is that you may be insecure and scared about your job, about your business, or about your finances. In spite of the fact that you do need to be careful with your expenditure, it also says that have faith. There is no need to worry because your needs will definitely be met. So relax. This was for Aries. In case you need a personal reading, you know where to get in touch with me. You can call me. You can go to my website www.ginneneja.com. You can go to my Facebook page, which is Ginny Aneja, numerologist and tarot card reader. You can DM me on Instagram or Twitter or even on LinkedIn. So this was for Aries. Let's see what the Taurus has to say. Take care.